Hello everyone! Today's topic of discussion is the popular myth that men use the right brain and women use the left brain. We will be exploring the scientific evidence on this topic and discussing the complexities of brain lateralization and gender differences. Stay tuned for some surprising discoveries and thought-provoking insights. The notion that girls use the left brain and men use the right brain is a popular myth that has been around for many years. The idea suggests that men and women have different cognitive strengths and use different parts of their brains to perform different tasks. However, research has shown that this idea is not entirely accurate. While there are some differences in brain structure and function between genders, both men and women use both sides of their brains for various tasks. One reason for this misconception may be the concept of brain lateralization, which is the idea that different cognitive functions are localized in specific areas of the brain. For example, the left side of the brain is often associated with language and analytical thinking, while the right side is associated with creativity and spatial reasoning. While there is some truth to this concept, it is not as simple as saying that one gender uses one side of their brain more than the other. In fact, a 2013 study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences found no evidence to support the idea that men and women have different cognitive strengths, or that one gender uses one side of their brain more than the other. The study analyzed brain scans of more than 1,000 individuals and found that both men and women used both sides of their brains equally for various tasks, such as attention, memory, and emotion processing. It's important to note that while there may be some differences in brain function between individuals, these differences are not determined by gender. Both men and women have the capacity to excel in a wide range of cognitive tasks, regardless of which side of their brain is being used. So, the idea that girls use the left brain and men use the right brain is a myth that has been debunked by scientific research. Subscribe for free and receive even more valuable information. Stay ahead of the game with verified and accurate insights on a variety of topics from the Information is Wealth YouTube channel.